Hello, welcome back to the CLE's KK CBSE School Chikkodi affiliated to New Delhi wide affiliation number 830981. So I am Tariq Ammangi. This year going to teach class 9 mathematics. So this year I am going to start with your mathematics syllabus. So before that, this situation is very pandemic, and so for this purpose we are starting with the online classes. So in the online classes we are completed with the bridge course part. So this year, now this for this academic year 2021-2022, I am going to deal with for you mathematics. So in the mathematics, this is a cover page of the mathematics class of class 9. Okay, so this is here all of you. So this is mathematics textbooks for class 9. In this mathematics textbooks for class 9, you are going to study the first chapter, that is a number system, and second chapter you are going to study polynomials. This number system is a arithmetic part. So this is a arithmetic part. Next, polynomials is a algebraic part. This algebra. Coordinate geometry is a geometry part. Next, linear equation in two variable, it is also an algebra part. Next, your introduction to Euclid geometry, again this is a geometry part. Next, lines and angles, this is also geometry part. Triangles, this is also geometry part. Quadrilaterals, this is a geometry part. Next, circles, this is also geometry part. Construction, geometry part. Heron's formula, geometry part. Surface area and volumes, geometry part. Statistics, probability, so this is one statistics and probability. These are some calculations we have to do. So that is your first chapter you are going to study of class 9, that is a number system. In the number system, you are in the last previous class you have studied the definition of rational numbers. Before that you studied the definition of whole numbers. Before that you studied the definition of integers. So one by one we just dictate the definition of whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. Then your part, that is irrational numbers. So the numbers expressed in the form of P by Q. The numbers expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. So Q is not equals to 0 and P and Q are integers. Such type of numbers we say these are all rational numbers. And whole numbers, we have studied the numbers starting with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to infinity. Such type of numbers we have called this as whole numbers, and it is denoted by W. Okay, and then after that we studied the definition of natural numbers starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to infinity. Such type of numbers are called natural numbers. Okay, so this definition we have completed in the last previous classes. Okay, so in this year you are going to study in the number system, that is introduction, irrational numbers, real numbers and their decimal expansion, representing real numbers on number line, operations on real numbers, laws of exponents for the real numbers, and lastly you are going to study the summary. Okay, just view what we have studied at the end of the chapter. So in the introduction part, if irrational numbers, real numbers. So irrational numbers not expressing in the form of P by Q are called irrational numbers. Real numbers, the numbers that include, that is both combination of rational and irrational numbers, are called real numbers. So all these introduction part and the number system part you are going to study in detail when we start with the next video and in the next online class. Okay, so this video is just your introduction part of your textbook for this year. Next, after that you are going to study the polynomials. After that, that is the algebra part. This is the arithmetic part. In the polynomials you are going to study introduction. Next, polynomials in one variable, how it is polynomial in one variable, zeros of polynomials, remainder theorem, next factorization of polynomials, next algebraic identities. Algebraic identities, last year you have studied the algebraic identities such as a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Last year you have studied, that is a plus b whole square is equals to, that is you know already, that is what it is, a square plus b square plus of 2ab. So this identity all have studied, and also you have studied the formula of a square a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square, you are having as a square a minus b whole square, you are having as, that is a square plus b square minus of 2ab. So this formula also you have studied in the last year. And next one, and also you have studied a square minus b square formula, a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So last year you have studied these identities, and this year also you are going to study the identities with some more identities. And next you are having the coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry you are going to study, that is introduction part, Cartesian system, that is x and y axis, plotting a point in the plane if its coordinates are given, summary. Okay, so this is your geometry part. Next you are going to study the linear equation in two variables, that is introduction part, linear equations, solution of linear equation, graph of linear equation in two variables, equations of lines parallel to y axis. Next one, that is introduction to Euclid geometry. Introduction to Euclid geometry, that is introduction, Euclid definitions, axioms and postulates. Axiom means which are true, and equivalent version of Euclid's fifth postulates. And this is your geometry part. Next you are going to study lines and angles. Next you are going to study, that is lines and angles, that is a geometry part. That is introduction, basic terms and definition, what is the definition of lines and angles, and basic terms which are studied since from your previous classes, intersecting lines, non-intersecting lines definition, pair of angles, that is in the pair of angles you are going to study the corresponding angles, alternate angles, interior angles, exterior angles, lines parallel to the same line, angle sum property of a triangle. So angle sum of property you know, that is a plus b plus c, which is equals to 180 degree. So this also you have studied. Next you are going to study the triangles. Triangles part you are going to study the introduction part, congruence of triangles, criteria of congruence of triangles, some properties of triangles, some more criteria for congruence of triangles, inequalities in triangles. And after that you are going to study the quadrilaterals, introduction part, angle sum property of quadrilateral, types of quadrilateral, properties of parallelogram, another condition for quadrilateral to be parallelogram, then midpoint theorem. So this is a new concept of that is in the quadrilateral, that is a midpoint theorem. And after that, area of parallelograms in the triangle, introduction, figures on the same base and between the same parallels, and also parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels, triangles on the same base and between the same parallels. And after that you are going to study the circles. In the circles, first part you are going to introduction, next part that is 10.2 circle and its related terms, the basic definition of circles, next angle subtended by a chord at a point, next perpendicular from the center to a chord, circle through the 3 points, equal chords and their distance from the center, angle subtended by an arc of circle, cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, see these all concepts you are going to study in the circle part. Next you are going to study about this construction, introduction, basic construction, some construction of triangles. Next, Heron's formula, introduction, area of triangle by Heron's formula, application of Heron's formula in finding the area of quadrilaterals. This part you are going to study in the Heron's formula. And 13th chapter you are having surface area and volumes. Introduction part, surface area of cuboid and cube, surface area of right circular cylinder, surface area of right circular cone, surface area of sphere, volume of cuboid, volume of cylinder. So these all concepts you are going to study, and one more, that is volume of right circular cone, volume of sphere, and summary means last what is a review of this chapter. Next one, statistics. Introduction part, collection of data. Data is collection of information, presentation of data, graphical representation of data, measure of central tendency. Next, that is the last chapter you are having this as probability. In the probability you are going to study, that is introduction, probability and experimental approach, and review of the probability. So this all the concepts you are going to study in your this year class 9 textbook. Okay, I hope so you will do with this good one. Thank you.